Welcome back to our channel, where your well-being is our top priority. Today we're diving into a topic that is both simple and transformative: the daily consumption of lemon water. You might be wondering, why should I drink lemon water every day? Well, the answer lies in the myriad health benefits that await you. But that's not all. We've taken things a step further. Join me as I take on the challenge of drinking lemon water every day for a month to see how it really boosts my health. You see, there's a lot of talk about lemon water online, but does it actually work? That's what we're here to find out. So grab a glass of lemon water, sit back and relax as we uncover the secrets of this refreshing beverage. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let's get started. Did you know that an average person needs about 2 liters of water per day? But most of us don't drink that much. According to studies, dehydration lowers physical performance and makes you feel tired, weak, and dizzy. Many people also struggle to maintain a healthy diet, which can lead to malnutrition and other health problems. So how can we make drinking water and consuming healthy foods more convenient and enjoyable? One solution is lemon water. It has a simple and effective way to increase your fluid intake and add essential nutrients to your body. Plus, lemon water has a pleasant flavor that many people prefer over plain water, and it's also versatile enough to be enjoyed in various recipes and drinks. But before we dive into the amazing benefits of lemon water, let's first talk about its unique properties. Lemons are highly astringent, which means they can help reduce swelling and inflammation throughout the body. This property can be harnessed by soaking lemon peelings in hot water, then boiling them and adding a pinch of salt. The resulting decoction can be consumed as tea or used as a gargle or rinse for sore throats or inflamed gums. Additionally, lemons are rich in citrate, a compound that can help prevent kidney stones from forming. By drinking lemon water regularly, you can keep your kidneys healthy and reduce your risk of developing painful kidney stones. Now let's move on to one of the most significant benefits of lemon water: detoxification. Our bodies constantly encounter toxins from environmental pollutants, processed foods, and other sources. These toxins can accumulate over time and negatively impact our health. Lemon water acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from the body. When the liver encounters toxins, it often stores them in the body fat, leading to excess fat. However, lemon water can aid in breaking down these toxins, allowing them to be eliminated through urine and hence reducing fat accumulation. Furthermore, lemon water helps in removing heavy metals such as mercury from the body. Mercury can enter the body through contaminated fish or dental fillings and cause various health problems. Lemon water's high citrate content binds to mercury, preventing it from being absorbed by the body and facilitating its removal. Another way lemon water helps in detoxification is by promoting the production of digestive juices, including bile and pancreatic enzymes. These juices help break down toxins and waste in the digestive system, allowing them to be eliminated through the rectum. Another impressive benefit of lemon water is its ability to boost the immune system. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Studies have shown that regular lemon water consumption can reduce the incidence of common colds and flu. In fact, just one large lemon provides approximately 30% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Additionally, lemon water contains flavonoids, plant-based compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and immune. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote overall immune health. Lemon water is also known for its potential anti-cancer properties. Several studies have suggested that the flavonoids and other compounds found in lemons may play a role in cancer prevention and treatment. For example, one study published in the Journal of Medicine found that lemon juice inhibited the growth of cancer cells in the stomach and intestines. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism showed that lemon extracts were effective in inducing programmed cell death in cancer cells. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-cancer properties of lemon water, these studies suggest that it may be a promising addition to a balanced diet for cancer prevention and treatment. And let's not forget the importance of skin health. Lemon water can also work wonders when it comes to achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. The high vitamin C content in lemons can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. It also promotes collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. Additionally, the antibacterial properties of lemon water can help prevent acne and other skin infections. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be as simple as squeezing the juice of half a lemon into a glass of water and drinking it daily. Or you can get creative and try different recipes like lemon mint or lemon ginger water. Let's now share some inspiring stories of real people whose lives have been transformed by lemon water. Sarah, a 30-year-old marketing executive, was struggling with low energy levels and frequent sick days. She decided to start drinking lemon water every day and noticed a significant improvement in her overall health. Not only did she feel more energized, but she also had fewer sick days, and her skin looked brighter and more radiant. John, a 45-year-old businessman, was looking for a natural way to boost his immune system and reduce his risk of chronic diseases. After reading about the health benefits of lemon water, he began consuming it regularly and experienced a decrease in inflammation and an increase in energy levels. He also noticed that he had fewer colds and flu and felt more focused and productive. Now let's move on to the science behind these transformations. Numerous studies have shown the remarkable health benefits of lemon water. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that lemon juice supplementation improved the immune function of healthy adults. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism showed lemon water consumption led to a significant reduction in cholesterol levels in overweight individuals. These studies provide scientific evidence supporting the positive impact of lemon water on overall health and well-being. So you might be wondering how you can incorporate lemon water into your daily routine. It's incredibly easy. Start by adding a few slices of lemon to your daily water intake. You can also get creative and try mixing lemon juice with other ingredients like cucumber, mint, or ginger to create refreshing and flavorful drinks. Additionally, lemon water is a great addition to smoothies and other beverages. If you're not a fan of the taste of lemon water, you can also consume lemons in other forms, such as dried lemon peel, powder, or lemon supplements. Just make sure to follow the recommended dosage to avoid any adverse effects. However, it's important to note that while lemon water offers numerous health benefits, it is not a miracle cure and should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. People with certain medical conditions or taking medications should consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating lemon water into their routine. Some individuals may also be allergic to citrus fruits, so it is important to test a small amount on the skin before applying it topically or ingesting it. Overall, lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink that can make a big difference in your health and well-being. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, the benefits of lemon water are truly amazing. So why wait? Start your journey towards better health today by adding lemon water to your daily routine and experience the remarkable transformation it can bring to your life. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the world of lemon water. We hope you've learned about the amazing benefits of this simple drink and are inspired to start incorporating it into your daily routine. Remember, small changes like adding lemon water to your diet can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to leave us a comment below, sharing your thoughts or experiences with lemon water. We value your feedback and can't wait to hear from you. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative and health-related content. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next video.